Crypto Profit app review. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Ars from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Crypto Profit app review, demo and $7,999 bonus. Guys, this is a brand new product released by Glynn Kosky, and what it will do is it will create a done for you website that is designed to make you affiliate commissions in cryptocurrency. So we will review it. I'll show you my full bonus in just a minute. Before we start, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and leave me a comment if you have any questions. And right now let me share my screen. Let's jump into this Crypto Profit app review. First of all, you know that if you're watching this on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog review. From here, if you will decide to pick up your copy of Crypto Profit app, just use any one of these blue links. All of these are my affiliate links, and this way you will get my bonus. 10 a.m. Eastern on June 24th is when Crypto Profit app goes live. And let me show you the first 4 bonuses here. Okay, so the first bonus is my secret Bitcoin case study. Another one is cryptocurrency secrets course. Another one, Bitcoin profit secrets course, and cryptocurrency one-on-one. I have tons of additional bonuses. I will show you the full list in just a minute. But right now, let me go to coinmarketcap.com and let's check out the price of Bitcoin. So currently it is $34,000. Now this recent week, it was as much as $40,000, as low as $30,000, but it is oscillating around $34,000 to $37,000 right now. I think by the end of the year, it will go up to as much as $100,000. That's why anything related to crypto, any crypto investment into mining, etc., will make you good money. So I'm investing into cryptocurrency, not only Bitcoin but all the altcoins as well. So I'm super bullish on it. And right now let's check out the sales page for Crypto Profit app. As you can see, it says Crypto Profit app, world's best crypto app for June 2021 with traffic included, smart crypto and NFT. Affiliate system taps into free traffic 24/7, 365 and makes us thousands in crypto commissions daily. Everything you need is included, no experience needed. So guys, that's pretty much sums it up. It is a done for you website that will be making you affiliate commissions in cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin and also NFTs. So we have some massive proof behind it right here. We have some testimonials. We have 3 steps that it works in. Glynn Kosky is the guy behind this new product. He's the vendor. He's the person that invented Crypto Profit app. As you can see, you can hook it up to multiple different affiliate offers from Binance, eToro, Trezor, all of these cryptocurrency projects that will pay you in cryptocurrency. So this is why this is so exciting, because you can actually make commissions that are worth X today and they can be worth 10x by the end of the year. So more proof, guys. This sales page is pretty long, so feel free to check it out once it's live. We have some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever is mentioned right here. We have a money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk on your part. Check all of it out once it's live. Let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, super easy to work with, super intuitive. As you can see, we have the welcome video right here. So this is the main dashboard. Let's go to tutorials. All the tutorials will be included on how to use Crypto Profit app and also how to get commissions. So we have the overview, we have integrations, we have campaigns. You can join Coinbase, BlockFi and Binance and get your affiliate link for referrals. As you can see, we can maximize your crypto system right here. We have how to create new campaigns. We have how to use upgrades, the bonus builder, traffic strategies, 4 different videos on how to get traffic, affiliate marketing blueprint. We have additional crypto programs right here. So these are all the tutorials. Now campaigns, let's click on campaigns. As you can see, once the campaign is already created, we can just add traffic to it. We can view it, we can edit it, or we can delete it. So let me just click on view what we already have here. As you can see, this is for Bitcoin for Beginners crash course. So this is how it looks like. But if you want to create a new campaign from scratch, just click on create new. And all you have to do is just add the title, name, description, and then add your banner image, the registration headline. You can add an ad if you want to. You can add a video if you want to. We have all the site settings, so site name, about site, creator settings. We have the drop-down settings. We have side panel. We have integrations. So in a nutshell, you're creating your the look of your website. And then you can just go back to campaigns and again, edit all the campaigns you already have, view them, delete them, or just click on add traffic and instantly share them on sites like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, via email, Telegram, WhatsApp, Buffer. We have all these different traffic sources. Next up, we have page content. So these are all the pages you will have on your done for you website. So as you can see, we have all of these articles already done for you. Accept crypto as payment, different types of crypto, earn interest. All of these articles are already done for you. You can edit them, you can delete them, and these are done for you. You don't have to do anything. I told you this is a done for you website. Obviously you want to personalize it, but I would say 99% is already done for you. Next up, we have products. So these are all the products you can promote and make money with. I already mentioned Coinbase, Blockify, and Binance. All you have to do is just grab your affiliate link and you will get cryptocurrency payments for each person that you refer. Next up, we have the done for you. These are done for you bonuses. So if you want to convince someone to use your referral link to, for example, join Coinbase, you can offer them bonuses. And this is how you manage all of it right here. So we have done for you. And then we have free traffic. So obviously, once your newly created website is created, you want to send as many people to it as possible. And here in this video, Glynn explains how to get free traffic. So first of all, you're actually going to get free additional pieces of software, free additional traffic apps that you can use. The first one is called Affiliate Traffic Lab. The second one is called Viral Newsjacker, and the third one is called Tube Traffic Machine. You can also go through all the video training right here. You have bonuses, you have the traffic vault, you have all of these different traffic sources. So Glynn really made sure that you're going to get all the traffic, all the eyeballs on your newly created website. So that's it in a nutshell. This is what you're going to find inside the members area. This is pretty much everything you need to start making money in crypto in 2021. If you're going to set this up today, you can be up and running by tomorrow and getting these crypto commissions by tomorrow. So that's what's on the inside. Let's check out the pricing. As you can see, what you're going to be paying for Crypto Profit app is $17. Now you have to show up early to actually grab it for $17 because the price will be rising every hour, and you'll be presented with a few one-time offers after you will pick up the main version. Now, one-time offers are optional, upsells are optional, but if you do want, for example, the unlimited version or the done for you pack, you can definitely pick up one of these. So OTO number one is the unlimited version, $67. OTO number two is 100% done for you, $97. Number three, we have unlimited traffic for $97. Number four, we have the automation version, $67. Number five, ATM edition, $67. And license rights, which allows you to sell a Crypto Profit app as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. And this is $197. Again, this is all optional. You'll be fine with the main version of Crypto Profit app alone, but you can definitely pick up one of these if you want to. So let me show you the rest of the bonuses. Again, as you can see, 10 a.m. Eastern on June 24th is when Crypto Profit app goes live. To get all of these bonuses, just make sure to use my link. Again, all of these blue links are my affiliate links. And from YouTube, the first link in the description takes you to my blog review. The second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page after this date. So I told you about my secret Bitcoin case study, the cryptocurrency secrets course, Bitcoin Profit secrets course, cryptocurrency one-on-one course. I'm also giving you free done for you products to sell. So these are my own WSO of the Day awarded products, and I'm giving you full PLR license to them. So you can do whatever you want with these courses. You're also getting 49 done for you emails and 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns, together with additional free custom-made bonuses. These are 3 different ways to get traffic, and I'm also giving you full PLR license to these. You're also getting affiliate traffic lab software, copywriting automated software, opt-in fire software, voucher machine software, affiliate warrior software, affiliate promo machine software, extreme affiliate page software, $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, $100 CPA every day, pure profit payday, WP video, viral click, WP advantage, image plus, list building expert, 100 e-course publishing tips, speedy content publishing tips, slideshare video tips, and on top of all of this, you'll get my mega bonus, which recently got bigger, and now it is 184 W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded products with additional plugins and software. That is why the total value of this bonus package is $7,999, almost $8,000. All of these bonuses are yours free from me, just as a gift to say thank you for picking up a Crypto Profit app through my link. As always, guys, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so feel free to check it out. And right now, I think we can sum up this Crypto Profit app review. So guys, this is a smart crypto system that multiplies your results All traffic is free and 100% included for you. You can tap into the hottest online niche, which is cryptocurrency, and get commissions in cryptocurrency. Again, this is perfect for crypto newbies and veterans. Doesn't really matter if you're just starting out or not. This is designed to get crypto profits. Okay, so you will be getting these affiliate commissions in cryptocurrency, not in dollars, not in euro, and you're getting a $180 money back guarantee, so no risk on your part. What I don't like about Crypto Profit app is that it is cryptocurrency, so you won't be getting your payment in dollars or euro. You will be getting it in crypto, which for me is a huge positive. But if you're not into crypto, maybe it's not for you. So just something to keep in mind. For the last time, 10 a.m. Eastern on June 24th is when Crypto Profit app goes live. Make sure to use my link to pick it up, and if you will do so, just go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus after picking it up. So click on your icon with your name, go to purchase history, find Crypto Profit app, and if you use my link, you should see an additional button saying bonuses from Art. Under the button that says click here to access your purchase, this is how you're going to access my bonuses. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next review video. Ciao.